Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Copilot Money. Just follow these steps so you can connect your accounts, set up your budget, and start tracking your finances with ease. First, let's connect your accounts. During onboarding, you'll link your bank accounts using a secure data aggregator. By importing your transaction history, Copilot can automatically suggest categories, create an initial budget, and identify and track your income. When searching for your bank, try using its full name or website URL. If your bank doesn't appear or can't connect through Plaid, choose the Not on Plaid option during the connection process. Most accounts load quickly, but some banks may take longer. If it's been more than 24 hours, you can contact Copilot support through the in-app chat. Next, complete onboarding. To start your free trial, choose a monthly or annual subscription. Your free trial will automatically renew, but you can turn off auto-renew anytime by going to Settings, Subscription, Manage your subscription. If you have a gift or referral code, you can enter it during the Start Your Subscription step. Now it's time to set your budget. Head to the Categories tab to see an overview of your spending, organized by category. Your initial budget is based on your past spending, but you can adjust it anytime. You can customize your budget by adding pre-made categories or creating your own, enabling rollovers to track spending across months, grouping categories together, excluding certain categories, changing a category's color, emoji, or genmoji. If you don't want to use budgeting, you can disable it by going to Settings, Features, Budgeting, and re-enable it anytime. Next, review your transactions. New transactions will appear in the To Review section of the Dashboard tab. After you review at least 30 transactions, Copilot Intelligence will begin suggesting categories and transaction types automatically, and it gets smarter over time. To edit a transaction, tap on it, make your changes, then tap Save. You can view all transactions by selecting View All to open the Transactions tab. Next, let's track your income. You don't need to set a monthly income amount. Just make sure your income transactions are correctly labeled as income. These appear in the Income section of the Cash Flow tab, where you can also track your net income, which is your income minus spending. You can enable comparisons and adjust timeframes to get a clearer picture of your earnings. Now let's look at recurrings. Recurrings help you track monthly expenses like bills, subscriptions, and reimbursements. They also keep your dashboard charts accurate by excluding recurring expenses. During onboarding, Copilot may automatically detect recurring transactions for you to review. You can also create new recurrings as long as there's at least one previous transaction. Be sure to review the filters so transactions are tracked correctly each month. Finally, create savings goals. Copilot lets you track both short-term and long-term savings goals. When creating a goal, you can start from scratch or link existing balances or transactions. Goals are tracked monthly, and you can update your progress anytime. Once you reach your goal, you can spend from those saved funds if needed. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you'll be able to use Copilot Money to manage your finances confidently anytime.